Box of Anthology for dbeis61. Good luck, sir. Yeah, like I said, I wouldn't say it's a low ball, but you could definitely get more for it. All right, here we go, dbeis. First pack. Ryan Miller, Resonant Contenders to $9.99. And a Brian Boucher, Game Worn Gear. Next, oh nice, Carter Camper, Titanium Rookie, Draft Position Rookie of Carter Camper to 100. Johnny Bauer, Contenders Legacy, the $9.99. For the Islanders, Brian Trottier, Brad Boyes, and John Tavares. Royal Lineage. Oliver Ekman-Larsson, Cup Contenders to $9.99. Pavel Datsyuk, Heart Contenders. The Great Outdoors of PK Subban to 500. Love that set. Andrew Desjardins, Metallic Marks, autograph. Brandon Bolig, rookie to $9.99. And a Ryan Hamilton, nice, level 2, $4.99. Level 2 rookie treasures to $4.99 of Ryan Hamilton. You have a Craig Anderson, Game Worn Gear. And your Prism pack, you have a Sidney Crosby, a Gabriel Dumont rookie, and a Rainbow Prism of Daniel Sedin. So dbeis, there you have it, sir.